Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Pi Level 136 here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. So, we've done a lot, and we're getting really close to the end of the game, I feel. So, we're gonna start going through and systematically doing some of the other stuff. So, like right now, we're already here. I'm not gonna leave here until we get all of the skill points here. Skill points are probably what I would call to be the most achievable thing. Let's see if we can look. Skins, nope. I don't know if we need to buy any of these. We do have a ton of them, though. Skill points. Alright, turn up the heat. That's also on Starship Phoenix. Oh, that one's, yeah, that one's armor-based. That one is for beating the big boss with a wrench. Birds to bugs. No, bugs to birds. That's probably something with the Quackinator. We have a few to do, but we're just gonna start by doing these first. So, yeah. So, if we're going like this, this is Iridia. Then there's Quark's Hideout, Koros, and Command Center. So there's at least 3 more places that we need to do. So we got 4 or 5 here. This is for getting to and through all of the vid comics in a certain amount of time. So I did pull up what that timing was, because it's yeah, it's a thing. So now most of these times are based in how quickly we did it the first run to collect everything. Like, it probably won't take us 6 minutes to go through this again. So for level 1, Pirate Booty, we need to beat a time of 2 minutes and 40 seconds. All right. And then we do have a restart button. Oh. Remember, we're just trying to... Oh. This probably isn't working in my favor. Let's restart. I was thinking maybe we could wall jump over that. Alright, touch floor, touch grass. We're just gonna avoid as best as we can. How did that hit me? I mean, let's face it, we really don't need to be fighting. Keep moving. Yeah, there we go. Hey!
Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Was I not supposed to attack that thing? Alright, I wasn't sure if... Ooh, come on, keep it moving. Oh man, I am gonna die. I'm gonna die before even getting there, looks like. I might get there. Oh, nope. I heard it, but I couldn't see it. Alright, we still have a minute left. Come on. We do not have long. And we actually have a boss in this one. We're almost there. Alright, cool. I do more damage with my fists than I do. Got it. Okay. Woo! 230. Oh, it's still counting. Jesus. So that was 233. Okay, so it still counts. We have to take that into an account, even though we had already beat it. That's gonna be tricky. I noticed that it was also counting when I died. So at some of these, it looks like we're gonna have to go through without dying. Alright. We actually have to do better than that on this one. We have to beat this level in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Yep, we're just gonna avoid as many... Oh, that goes through the whole screen, it looks like. Yeah, we don't have to take these guys out. I don't think it's in my best interest to perish. I can't quite reach up there, so I have to wait. Trying to keep it moving. I don't even remember this level. It's been so long. Okay, can't do anything about that. Oh. I don't know why I jumped and risked that. I could have died there. This falling, I'm pretty sure, is instant death. Just gonna keep it moving. Nope, we didn't win. How far are we away from the end? We were right there. 217. Alright. So we gotta shave off 8 seconds at least. 217. The time was 210 to beat. Alright. Alright. So somewhere we gotta shave off that bit of time there. Not dying usually is No. Hold on. We're gonna restart this one. Let's see if I can concentrate. Yeah, I don't want to take those guys, because they will shoot me from afar. I did lose a good bit of time here too, so... Alright, keep it moving. We're gonna... we do have to wait here. Are they only attacking me because they think I'm an amoeboid? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. That's a nice little wall jump that I just did. No! I don't think we'll make it. There's no way we're gonna make it. There's absolutely no way we were gonna make that. I think I'll take the hit on that part and just drop. Alright. Focus. Focus, focus. There's pizza on your focus. Gotta try to keep moving. Nope, can't make that. There's... Yeah. I'm trying to push that one. I don't know if that's one of those that it's scripted that way, or if I can shave off a couple of extra seconds if I can actually make that. Alright, that was irritating. A little bit of RNG in play there. No! Nope. Oh. Take the hit. Take the hit. This one's actually a relatively short platform, so it's not like it's gonna kill me. I spasmed. I panicked more or less. The Meeboids are going at it. Alright, starting to learn the pattern. Almost had it. I think it's just scripted to be there though, or be away. I almost fell into that hole and that would have just upset me. I was gonna see if I could wall jump over there and maybe make it to the middle platform, but didn't seem to work out. Nope. Oh, I can't just drop down. Yeah, that worked. But it didn't. It means I couldn't make this one in time. Go, 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 go! We're right there, too. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yes! 208. Jesus. I hate time trial anything. That was rough. The next one is going to be rougher even still. Because the next one, I have to beat in 1 minute and 50. Shadow of the Robot, huh? Gotta remember I can't break those. This is gonna be kind of interesting with that one spot too. That I have to take out the enemies and yeah, here.
Circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Well, that was messed up, but okay. Alright. Come on, just kinda... Nice! 142, first try. Almost died though, because I was trying to rush at the end there, but 142. Whew. Definitely has my heart. Alright. So, 15 out of 30. We are officially halfway there. And yep, look at that. We only got the 2 left. So, one is actually a little bit longer on the time. We have 4 minutes and 45 seconds to get to the end of this one. I'm a little surprised, but I don't remember. Oh. I was gonna say I don't remember why, but this one I gotta be very careful on. Because if I fall, that's death. Nah, if I die, I'm just gonna restart. Although I do wonder. So I know that there's that below me. Oh, I can skip a whole piece right there if I do that. Alright, let's do that. But not like that. Or like that. Yep, just had to take a second for my bearings, that's all. Well. Oh, and I can't even drop that low. Dropping too low kills me. But it put me pretty close to where I was, so I think it's fine. I gotta stop holding the left analog trigger. I forgot all about this. We'll see what happens, but no, it's just not worth it to me. I know that it's gonna be a whole thing. I mean, I may have saved a few seconds here, but lost a lot of time right there at the start. Oh, really? Wait, what happened? Oh, what is happening? The way the screen is, he's making the sound like he fell and died, but he didn't actually. I can see them trying to make it so that way for this level to squeeze out a little extra time. You gotta do a couple of wall jumps to skip a couple of platforming pieces. That's probably why it's so much longer, because we have this little unskippable part here. This is one of the things I kind of like about older games, when they have like these health bars that are, they change based on your character's health. Hiya! Alright, so we're at 3, huh? I feel like I should be able to reach up there somehow. Might be taking a little bit too much damage. I was about to say, I should have been able to climb up there. Like, come on, man. Oh, you know what? I do get the ammo from those hives that I'm not destroying. Come on, will you climb up the damn ladder? Jeez Louise. Yep, I'm gonna die again. Oh yeah.
It is I, Dr. Nefarious.
You again?
I was about to say, he's gonna hit me once and I'm gonna die. His death animation takes forever. Doesn't seem like it matters what I hit him with, but that was way easier than the others. Okay. I mean, way easier. 3:44, and we're about, yeah, we were under a minute. We still had a whole minute to work on that. Alright. Shaming of the Queue. Gotta beat this level in 2 minutes. This one, I don't remember. There's no, oh.
Perhaps we should flood the facility with boiling acid. Oh, I like the way you think.
Come on.
Can we do that?
Come on.
Make it so.
I am getting wrecked. Ooh, okay. Nope. I'm gonna have to reposition myself for this. Alright, let's go. How is he gonna fire off a missile before I'm even there?
Perhaps we should flood the facility with boiling acid. Oh, I like the way you think, Lawrence.
Got it, still a 3-hitter, huh?
Make it so.
Nope. These guys are still screwing me over. 2 minutes. Alright.
Perhaps we should flood the facility with boiling acid. Oh, I like the way you think, Lawrence.
Come on.
Make it so.
2 minutes feels like not enough. Oh, I'm in a minute. I need to figure out what's going on in this level. We did it one time. Wow. Just go ahead and continue for now. I don't remember this level well enough to be... Isn't this the one where I could go this way, though? Take an extra hit or so, but... Come on!
Look down! Don't look down!
Oh, we are definitely not doing it this time. Just restart it.
He's getting away!
I'd rather restart it.
Do something, Lawrence! Perhaps we should flood the facility with boiling acid.
Oh, come on!
Lawrence, can we do that?
So pretty much the moment they spawn on screen, or it renders that they're there, they fire a missile. Okay, so don't try to punch the ice. Duly noted. Might have to say stopping for this moment. Like I said, I don't actually remember this level well enough to be... Yeah... This level annoys me. I don't like levels with a rising thing, especially not when I'm already timed.
Boiling acid. Oh, I like the way you think, Lawrence. Can we do that? Make it so.
Yeah, there's no way to stop them from firing off at least a single rocket. Like, you can know that it's there all you want, but you're not gonna stop that from happening. What? What? No. We're not doing that. We're not doing that right now. I'm getting irritated. Still stressed out from the other levels. I'm not doing that right now. I don't want to feel under the stress that I am for something silly. Something silly like that? Nah, we're good. We're good. I'm good. Wonder, did we get anything good in the skill points section or the cheat section? We can get Secret Agent Clank now. We can do the big head heroes. Alright, well, we're good for now.